my YouTube channel. Today, it's a different type of video. We are in Mexico and I'm taking you to the little town Izamal. Izamal, it's a really cute town that it's known because everything in there it's yellow. It is beautiful and I hope you guys like it. So without further ado, let's get adventurous. So we're starting our trip from the city of Mérida, and Izamal, it's about 1 hour east from the city. It's a really short trip, and yeah, I'll show you guys the way there. Sebastian is driving today. Hello, hello.
Hello.
And I present you the team today. My dad and my mom. Say hello, guys.
Hi.
So there is not much on the way there. Mérida has really flat land, so it's pretty straightforward. And yeah, let's get going. So you can tell we have arrived to Izamal because literally everything is yellow in here. We are on our way to the main attraction and I'll show you guys when we get there. We have arrived, guys, and right now we are at the main plaza of the town. It's called Constitution Square, and as you can see, it's super cute. Everything is yellow, and right behind me, it's the most emblematic building of the town. It's a convent and it's called the Convent of San Antonio de Padua. On to the other side of the plaza, there is a little market. We're gonna go check it out and see what we find. I love walking through little markets like this because you can always find really cool stuff, and especially truly traditional from the places that you go. And talking about traditional, guys, I wanted to show you these beautiful dresses that are called ipiles. Ipiles are the traditional dressing from the area of Yucatan. They are just beautiful. Look at this. They come in two forms. They can come as a dress or as just a shirt. And they are traditionally sewed by hand with these beautiful, colorful flowers. If you ever come to the Yucatan area, you have to try this delicious street food known as marquesitas. Basically, they are like crispy crepes, and they are traditionally filled with Edam cheese, which is known as ball cheese in here. And you can add any sweet topping like Nutella, jam. Personally, I love to put condensed milk, and they are just delicious. Look at this. Don't they look yummy? And I forgot to mention these, guys, but Izamal is also known as the Magic Town or Yellow Town. You know why? Because everything in here is yellow. So if you ever hear someone talking about the Magic Town or Yellow Town, you know where that is. That is Izamal. So we have arrived to the convent I was telling you guys about. Convent San Antonio de Padua. It's beautiful, right, guys? And fun fact, as you can tell, it's kind of built into a hill, but it's not a hill. Remember, I tell you guys, Yucatan land, it's really flat. So this one is not a hill. It looks like it because it was actually built on top of a Mayan pyramid. Therefore, it gives the illusion that we're on a hill, but we are actually not. So I'm gonna show you guys inside and we'll see. So that's the little plaza we were in, the square I show you guys, and now we are up here. Let's go inside and check it out. This convent has the second largest atrium in the world. The first one is in the Vatican, but this one is the second one. Like it?
Really nice here, really quiet, peaceful.
Another fun fact about this place is that I believe in 1993 the Pope John Paul II gave a mass in here, and that's why they built a statue to commemorate him. On this side of the convent, if you guys look all the way back there, you can see some Mayan ruins, which we're gonna go check out after this. So we just came down from the convent, guys, and we're gonna walk to the Mayan ruins. It's a really short walk. It's only like 5 minutes from here, and I love walking there because you get to explore and see the nice view. And of course, like everywhere else in the world, there is a little sign with the name of the town that we are in. And look what we found, guys. These cute chariots are called calesas. They're really traditional from the area. Usually you ride them and they take you around the town, so you don't have to walk. I personally don't like riding them because I believe that sometimes they can mistreat animals, but they're cute looking. We're walking there and truly, guys, everything is yellow. Everywhere you look. Yellow here, yellow there. I love it.
Izamal is a really nice place to visit. Look at it.
And those are the Mayan ruins we're going to, guys. We have arrived to the pyramid and it is free of charge. They don't charge to get in here. These pyramids are called, okay, don't make fun of me, I'm gonna try to pronounce it, Kimich Kakmo. So we're gonna go all the way up there, guys. This type of construction always mesmerizes me. Like, how could they build all of this without any machinery? This was probably so heavy, and there's so much measurements and like math to do this. Mayan culture was truly amazing. So we've made it to the first level of the pyramid, guys. As you can see, there is a little bit of space in between pyramids to get to the top of it. So let's get going. We are onto the second part of the pyramid, and let me tell you guys, this is really cool because most of the Mayan ruins here in Mexico, well, in Yucatan, you're not allowed to climb the pyramids, and this one is one of the only ones where you can, which I think it's pretty cool. And yeah, let's go all the way up. So wish me luck, guys. Yana decided to bring platforms to the pyramids, and here we are. Okay, I was only able to go through that, but platforms are off because all the way from here to up there, the stairs aren't complete and it's basically just rocks. So let's try this one more time. We made it to the top, guys. How beautiful the view is from here. It is really amazing. If you look back there, you can see the convent where we guys were. And now we are all the way up here. Let me tell you, coming down there wasn't as easy as it looked like. Coming up there was easier than that, but we made it. So I was reading, and this pyramid was actually dedicated to the god of the sun, and I truly see why. The view from up there, it's amazing. The sun was coming down and it just looks breathtaking from there. So beautiful. We found something really cool, guys. As I mentioned, this was dedicated to the sun, so I think these shapes that are all over the stairs are because of that. So that's it for today, guys. We visited the convent, we walked around town, and we went to the pyramids. I hope you guys had fun with me today. Hopefully one day you'll get to come and visit Izamal and see how beautiful this is in person. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, turn on the bell notification button, and leave me a comment. If you also want to follow me on my journey, I will be linking my social media down below. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys on the next video.